Okay, everybody from YouTube, this is another video about a radiator, clog radiator that has only water in it. They run water only, no antifreeze. Subscribe, press like. I'll open this radiator to show you why you don't use water only. Look, see all the corrosion in there? That's why when I open the first valve, nothing come out. Look, there's the first valve hole right there, a little bit. Open it, look, all the dirt, all the rust that is in it, inside the radiator. Look at it. Bad. It was like everything is clogged. Look, all the lines, all the corrosion inside the lines. This radiator was working like 10%, maybe less. No good. Kill your engine, blow your head gaskets. Never use a radiator with water only. Always use your antifreeze. Check your recommendations and use antifreeze. Never water. Stay put. I'll be posting some more videos. Thanks.